Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So Bitcoin Cash, watching to see if now it can finally hold this rotation zone on this pullback right around 24.73 area. We want to see it. If it does dip below there, we don't want to see it getting below 24.42 on a closing basis. See that and rotating back up. It already tackled this 37.5% gain level, 23.69. If we can get that rotation back up and get above there, then we're going to be watching for a longer term run up back to 29.32, then 3,037, and then eventually 32.25, in which case we'll start getting more and more aggressive above 32.25. If this does break down, let's check in on the longer term chart. So far, you can see this 22.94 levels held nicely. It's held there, and just above there today. So that's a very key level. If we do break below that, then you can watch for the next major support coming in about 20,050. And then it might dip below that to test the rising 50-day exponential moving average about 1985, but major support is about that 2050 level. Really quick over to Bitcoin Gold on the daily chart. Still having issues getting through the rotation zone. Right now, the top of the rotation zone is at this 255. So we're watching for a close above that 255 level at this point and hopefully pull it higher. If we get a close above there, then we'll be watching for 274, then 279, then eventually a return to 296. Very key support at this 230 level. You can see it's support all the way there. If this does not hold, then we'll be watching for a return to about 216, and if that doesn't hold, then a return to 193, and then the other lower levels remain the same from before. Finally, switching over to Bitcoin, really nice, strong move up, catching back on the rotation zone, hitting the first gain level we had up there from the other day, about that 17,088, pulling back. Now the next level is higher. We have a nice little cluster between 17,704 and 17,786. So that's the next target on this rotation back up. There might be some minor resistance around 17,593, which can always be used for a stop reduction or moving up your stop, because we want to hold above the bottom of the rotation zone right now, which is coming in 15,841. Now, once we get above the 17,786, then we'll be looking for minor resistance coming in about 18,070, then major prior breakdown zone from the lows or from the candle bodies, and this GAN projection about 18,468, so 18,500 is going to be a very key level on a continued push higher, one you won't want to ignore. So as long as this does stay above this 4-hour rotation zone, we're looking good in Bitcoin for now, and that's all we have for you. Let's just check in on the daily chart actually really quick. Always good to keep in mind. All right, so we have the nice first cross rotation zone. So this is now major support coming in. Major support level based off the daily is right about 15,267. So even on a pullback, we would not want to see a close below that level on the daily chart. Now that's what we have for you. We will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.